TS4. Right now we have a massager here. This one is from Blueidea. It's a multifunctional massager there. This is how it looks there, showing you different positions and stuff you could do things in. Look like it comes with 4 pads. Best quality. Look like the model number. Could do stroke, acupuncture, manipulation, cupping, massage, and scrapping. So EMS, tense, massage. So we got different functions you could use. Turn it on this side here. Soft tissue pain. If you the camera like it want to refuse to focus there, but you could always pause and organize. So let's show you lower different parts of your body that you could massage there. Also show you on there sole, shoulder, neck, leg, under your foot. Which part is the calves, lower back, and different areas. I'm showing it on there. You will see if the manual showing you how to position it. It looks like they're showing you how to position it right here. So they're showing you how to put it on shoulder, neck, back only, waist, arm, yeah, legs there, on their foot. So I didn't order this one from outside. This one is actually purchased down here in my country. Let's see what else it have inside here. Alright, empty box now. Manual. They need the full rundown. What to do there. Alright. I'll show you could put it in different. And they're also showing you the different ports and things to decide what they're all about. Check. Zoom up a little bit. Hopefully that would focus a little better there. Yeah. Seems like that zoom up helping it to focus more better. So different modes, intensity display, strength, either to increase or lower. Switch between Chinese and English. Yeah. Timer and stuff there. Yeah, so that's a full rundown of everything. It does have plenty different one of these on the market. So we go back out. So this one look like one jack controlling 2. And let's have another jack here controlling another 2. Like the batteries is rechargeable, so again it did come with a USB-C, which is very good. Yeah, in device without USB-C does be a difficult kind of thing there. Yeah, so it look like 2 pads in one bag. Right at the pin on this side it look like. We just open it up just to make sure, because it does have 4 there. See if we could get that open up. Like the big fingers don't want to get it open here. So we take a closer look at it. Alright, so let's say before you put this in, make sure and wipe down the area that you're going to put it in, so it will not any grease or anything to stop it from doing the sticky stuff there. I don't know if you had to put back this after when you're done doing your massage. But if you could put it back on, just put it back on so it wouldn't be sticking all over the place, and put it back inside the same pouch like this. It does have some other things here. I don't know if this is to stick it on when you take off the plastic. It look like you stick one on one side, one on the other side. Yeah, because it does have a little cutout there, so it look like when you finish, you just rest it back right in here and stick it back inside there, so they wouldn't get stick onto anything, or the stickiness wouldn't be out. You see the device itself here now. Remind me of one of these multimeters I had. Let's put a multimeter, something to check voltage and stuff, to measure. So I see that display in the back there. You can see the modes to switch it between English, the intensity and stuff there. To grade up and down. This look like maybe to switch between the different massage modes and power on. So it does have power there right now. And just showing you all the settings. Press the mode and you could scroll through. And it's showing you which part you could put them on, if anything. Let's see. To Chinese, English. So it seems to carry the timer up there for how long you want, 5, 10, 15, and it brings it back down. So it doesn't carry to the extreme massaging. Grab the intensity here. See how high up it going. If I hold it down, will it move? No, but hold it down, yeah, it goes down. So you carry straight up to 15. Yeah, not bad. Does it have a meter showing here when it charge? Not seen anything like that. So doesn't have any light around. It does have the 2 plugs there to plug in, the charging port, but it doesn't have any indicator light showing charge or anything like that. I don't know if one might pop up on the screen when it plugs into the top there. Yeah, but nice to at least be rechargeable. That's some that come with batteries. If you choose, well, you like batteries, you could buy the one with the batteries itself and it will work. So in case of anything dying or anything, you could just switch out your batteries if you have rechargeables and stuff, or batteries laying around. Yeah, so that's it for the massager. Tense machines, some people just call them. Therapy massagers. TS4 out.